Look at the sheer volume of water covering our planet. The ocean regulates global temperatures, produces the air we breathe, and maintains the biological systems keeping us alive. If that entire volume of water instantly vanished into thin air, we would be left staring at a muddy, dark abyss. Gravity would take immediate effect. Every commercial cargo ship, nuclear submarine, and deep-sea oil rig currently afloat would freefall thousands of feet before violently smashing into the newly exposed seabed. Trillions of marine organisms, from blue whales to microscopic plankton, would die within minutes. That creates a staggering volume of rapidly decomposing biomass spread across the entire global ocean floor. Continents would become towering plateaus, 12,000 feet above the dry oceanic crust. Panning horizontally reveals extreme topography. The Mariana Trench appears as a plunging canyon 7 miles deep, and mid-ocean ridges stand exposed as the longest mountain ranges on Earth. Stripping away the water exposes an alien geological skeleton. This newly exposed terrain is the stage where the atmosphere begins to break down without its primary regulator. This map shows the ocean absorbing massive equatorial heat and distributing it globally. When that mechanism disappears, the equator absorbs the sun's energy directly, baking the soil at 150 degrees, while polar regions plunge into a permanent deep freeze. The entire global water cycle completely shuts down. Since ocean evaporation drives our weather, the planet immediately stops producing rain and snow. The only moisture left exists in inland lakes, rivers, and underground aquifers. Under an unregulated sun, these isolated freshwater sources quickly boil off and evaporate into dry air. Within 12 months, all dry forests and grasslands ignite. Massive wildfires spanning entire continents rage, pushing thick smoke aggressively upward. Stripped of thermal regulation, the surface stops functioning as a habitable biosphere, becoming a hyper-arid, burning wasteland. The surface is burning, but the lethal crisis is happening in the atmosphere. Under normal conditions, marine phytoplankton produce up to 70. Zero global rainfall means zero global crop yields. Any terrestrial life surviving the initial heat waves will succumb to mass starvation and severe dehydration, as the last remaining inland water reserves completely vanish. While dehydration claims many, the transformation of the atmosphere into a toxic, suffocating blanket is what ultimately ensures the end of all terrestrial life. Look at this cross-section of the Earth's crust. Trillions of tons of ocean water press down heavily on the tectonic plates. When that immense weight is removed, the crust violently snaps back upward in a process known as isostatic rebound. This sudden upward shift shatters the structural integrity of the crust. Massive global earthquakes rip through tectonic boundaries, awakening long-dormant volcanoes across newly exposed seafloors. These deep-sea fissures erupt simultaneously, pumping highly toxic sulfur dioxide and thick volcanic ash directly into the already suffocating atmosphere. This sudden removal of mass physically destabilizes the crust, demonstrating that the oceans exert a constant, stabilizing pressure that the Earth's geological structure is built to withstand. Fast forward thousands of years. Water acts as a crucial geological lubricant, allowing tectonic plates to slide past each other and subduct into the mantle. Without it, the massive slabs of crust eventually grind to a complete halt. Plate tectonics help drive the convection currents deep in the Earth's core. Once the plates stop moving, the internal dynamo slows down, leading to the gradual decay and ultimate failure of Earth's protective magnetic field. Without a magnetic shield to deflect incoming radiation, highly charged solar winds slowly strip away the remaining atmosphere. Earth physically devolves into a dry, desolate rock floating in space. To survive this environment, any remaining fraction of humanity would have to retreat deep underground. We would rely on heavily fortified, artificially lit biodomes, deep mining ancient aquifers, and completely synthesizing our own breathable air. The loss of our oceans completes a permanent terraforming process. Humanity would effectively be surviving on Earth as if it were a hostile alien planet.